Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha of channel. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Today's video, I'll be teaching you step by step how you can link your PayPal account to your bank account. Some days ago, I made a video on how you can create a PayPal account in Nigeria that you can send and receive cash, and a lot of testimonies to that video. A lot of people have been able to create their PayPal account successfully. Some have been able to link their PayPal account to their bank account, while others are commenting that they don't know how to do it. So because of that, I want to teach how you can link your PayPal account to your bank account. Now, it is very important for you to watch this video from beginning to the end. Follow everything I do step by step so that you will not make any mistake. And for those of you that do not have a US bank account, you need a US bank account. If you don't have a US bank account, don't worry, I've made a video on how to create a US bank account from Nigeria free of charge and step by step, right? So I'm going to show you the link to that video. It will be in the description of those videos. You follow the step, create a US bank account, then I'll show you how you will now link that US bank account to your PayPal account and begin to operate it right from the comfort of your home in Nigeria. Without further ado, let's head over to my computer screen where I show you everything, guys. If you have any other thing you want me to make a video on, please leave that in the comment section. If you're watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to like this video, comment, hit the subscribe button, engage with my video. It helps my algorithm so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people. Bye for now, and let's head over to my computer screen. Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha channel. So I made a video where I talked about how you can create your PayPal account, and one of the questions a lot of people have been asking me after I made this video on how to create your PayPal account is that how can they link their PayPal account to their bank account? What card can they use to verify their PayPal account? But majorly I've seen a lot of questions about how you can link your PayPal account to your bank account, and that is what I'll be doing in today's video, right? So if you have not created a PayPal account, you want to create a PayPal account that will send and receive money without stress, I've made this video. Check those videos. There are a lot of positive feedback. A lot of people have used this method and it has worked for them. Now if you have created a PayPal account, you want to see how you can connect your PayPal account to your bank account. You want to link your PayPal account to your bank account, or you want to link your PayPal account to your credit card. I'll be doing another video. This is the video I'm recording for that. And the first thing is, using this last tutorial, what we created was a PayPal business account. The step for PayPal business account is different from that of PayPal personal account. So for people that use the last tutorial, I created a business account. If you want to link your account, when you log in, this was the business account I created the last time. Although I have another PayPal account, I just created this for the sake of tutorial, so I'm going to continue tutorial with this one. Now when you log into your business account, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come to this place where your name is, your profile. When you click, before you even click on it, once you hover your mouse around it, you're going to see that some options will come. So basically what you'll be doing is you'll be going to account setting. You're going to click on account setting. Now when you click on account setting, an account setting opens. You're going to look down in this account setting area, right? There are various features on the account setting. So under these features, if you scroll down, you're going to see business profile. Under business profile, you see business information, account owner information, money, banks and cards. Money, banks and cards, right? So you're going to click on this money, banks and card. When you click on this money, banks and card and it loads, right, it's going to bring you to this place where you will now see money, banks and card, your preferred way to pay, your banks, link a bank account. Here you can link a bank account which you can use to transfer funds from your PayPal account to the linked bank account, or you can link your card, your ATM card, which you can use to do your transaction through your PayPal account as well, right? You can come here to change your currency. Maybe your currency is in US dollar, you want to change it to another country currency, you can change it here. But for now, I'm going to be leaving this way. So for you to fix your bank account, now one thing that you need to take note of is that in this case you will be needing a US bank account, and for you to create a US bank account for free in Nigeria, if you're in Nigeria or any other part of the world, you want to create a US bank account, it is not a big, it's very easy. I've done a video on that. Now I did a video on Payoneer. Now if you come to my YouTube channel, I'm going to try to put the link of that video in my description. There's a video I made on Payoneer. Let me show you the video. So if you go back and you watch that video on how to create a Payoneer account, you will successfully create a Payoneer account, and that account will come with Great Britain pounds bank account. It's going to come with a US dollar account, and it's going to come with I think a Canadian bank account. So this is the video, the one my mouse is roving at. Create a working Payoneer account 2023 method. I did everything step by step to the end of the verification process. The 17 minutes video. I'm going to put the link in the description. You need to watch that video so that you can learn how to create a Payoneer account, because I cannot be doing that tutorial in this video. So if you successfully create a Payoneer account, automatically you're going to have a US dollar account, right? So what I will do is I'll log into my Payoneer account, and I'm trying to show you guys how you link your Payoneer to your PayPal account, even if I'm not going to finish the process because I've already connected this account to another PayPal account, but this is for the two. Now after clicking on connect to your bank account, you're going to see link a US bank account. It is specified, link a US bank account. So that is where the Payoneer account comes in place, right? So for you to link the US bank account, you need to go to create a Payoneer account. After creating a Payoneer account and you log in, I'm going to show you where you can get your US bank account. So I'm going to sign into my Payoneer account. Please make sure you follow this video step by step. Do everything I've done so that you will not make any mistake and it will work perfectly for you, right? So all I need to do is to just come to this place. Yeah, this place my mouse is hovering on. This place you see home, get paid, pay, withdraw. I'm going to come to bank and cards. When you click on bank and cards, you're going to see bank account for withdrawal. That is the account you want to withdraw your money to from Payoneer. That is not what you are looking at. You are going to come to receiving account. This is the account you use to receive your money from anywhere to your Payoneer. So when you click on receiving account, you are going to see your various Payoneer bank accounts show, right? I'm going to allow this load. When it loads, you are going to see the information of my bank account there. Now see, you can see that there's a Great Britain pounds account and there's a US dollar account, right? I can add any other account if I want. It's for me to just click on request accounts and I'll create another account for any country. But what I want to do is I want to connect my US dollar account. What I'll do is I'm going to click on view details. I may need to blur some part of this video, right? So when you come to the view details, you will see that there's the bank name is here, the routing number is there, the account type, because there are two types of account. There's saving, there's checking is there, your account number is there, your bank address is there. So in this case, all this information we have here, I'm going to just simply come to this place, right? My account is a checking account, so the account is there. The routing number, all I need to do is to come to my Payoneer, see the routing number there. Now I'm going to copy it, look at it, routing number, I'll copy it, then I'm going to paste it here, right? The next thing is, excuse me, after my routing number, the next thing is my account number. Look at it. I'm going to come here, click on the account number, copy it, and I will paste it here, right? Then the final thing is the account name. Although it is a business account, I'm going to change the name to my personal name, because it is important that the account you are connecting to your PayPal is directly, the name on the account is the same with the name on your Payoneer. For example, you can see that it is my name that is on my Payoneer, so it must be the same name on my PayPal. I'm going to click on this personal account name, then I'll click agree and link, and once I do that, it's going to connect. That is what you do. The reason I'm not clicking on agree is because I've connected this to another bank account and I don't want to connect it to this Payoneer. This is for tutorial purpose. Once you do that successfully, that is how you link a US bank account to your Payoneer account. For those of you that might be confused again, let me explain the step one more time. The first thing you need to do is you need to create a Payoneer account. You need to create a Payoneer account. When you create a Payoneer account and you log in, you're going to get a US bank account, a Great Britain pounds bank account. Then after creating your Payoneer account and you come to your PayPal, the account details on your Payoneer account is what you connect to your PayPal account. If you have any question concerning this, please leave that in the comment section. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your credit card to your business PayPal account. When I finish that, I'm now going to go to my personal PayPal account and show you how to connect your bank details, right? If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, share my video, leave a comment. A thank you will not be out of place. If you have any question, leave your questions. I'm going to do it to answer everybody's question to the best of my ability. And don't forget to share this video so that others can benefit from it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, it will mean so much if you subscribe to this channel, because you'll be getting a lot of quality content. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I show you how to connect your credit card.